Everybody, I've come back with another video of IGCSE grammar guide based on introduction to clauses, coming up with independent clause and dependent clause. I'll be representing you how you can identify on your own. Plus, I'm going to be handing you out a master key is to unlock your learning potential by following my teaching sequence. So first, let's figure it out. Just as you know, the lesson is based on introduction to clauses. There are two types of them, independent clause or dependent clause. What if you find, a sentence written somewhere, or if someone examines your knowledge of clauses, what if he asks you what is independent clause, what is dependent clause? It might baffle you if you do not have an idea. So that's why I'm here in order to have you idea. So let's identify independent clause. What is independent clause, or how we can identify this? Simple tip, just as I let you know last time, that teachers have their own personal opinions to make their student understand. No matter however you teach your way, but teachers have their own opinions, no matter whatever method you use into the classroom. For example, if something you find is pretty much easier for you to apply to the class where your students are understanding clearly what you're just trying to explain, that's what's matter. It never matters how you teach. What matters how you are able to make your students understand. That's the thing that matters very much. So let's figure it out. I have to leave early because I have a meeting. It's a full sentence. So let's identify independent clause. Well, what do you say directly? For example, I'm saying this out here, I have to leave early. Or if someone is in front of me, I'm sorry, I have to leave early. Or if I'm explaining to somebody else, I can't stay any longer here. All these, what I'm saying directly, would be referred to as independent clause. Independent clause. And afterwards, when you mention your consequence to somebody, or in simple English, when you explain your reason to somebody, would be referred to as dependent clause. It's an easy to master it. It's nothing that much harder for you to go hard on it. It's nothing like that, just as the way you might be wondering. What you say directly, you may consider as independent clause, and when you mention the consequence to somebody, which means you explain your reason in simple English to somebody, would be referred to as dependent clause. And what if someone's examining you of your knowledge of clauses? For example, if he writes question like this, identify dependent clause. So when you mention your consequence to somebody, would be referred to as independent clause. So because I need to help my brother is my consequence I'm explaining, so would be referred to as dependent clause. Or most basic students, you must have seen in 10th standard class, how it is made student understand. It may be like this. I know, students, this is main clause, and then that you want to sleep would be referred to as independent clause. That is an appropriate one for basic student. But if you are in 11th class or 12th class, this lesson may be useful for you. So that's how the lesson is like. I'll see you within another video.